Welcome to my channel. How to install a cable modem. 1. Gather the materials. Ensure you have the cable modem, a coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, power adapter. 2. Choose a location. Place the modem near a cable outlet and a power source, in a well-ventilated area to avoid overheating. 3. Connect the coaxial cable. Screw one end of the coaxial cable into the wall outlet and the other end into the modem's cable-in port. 4. Plug in the power adapter. Connect the modem's power adapter to an electrical outlet and turn on the modem. Wait for the lights to stabilize. 5. Connect to your device. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the modem to your computer or router's WAN/Internet port. 6. Update firmware if needed. Check the modem's admin page for any firmware updates to ensure optimal performance and security. 7. Test the internet connection. Open a website or run a speed test to confirm that the modem is working and delivering the expected speeds. 8. Secure your network. If using a router, set up a strong Wi-Fi password and network name to keep your connection secure. Thanks for watching.